In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download audio file from WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first off, open up WhatsApp app and then go to chats. After that, open up conversation. And then, once you find audio file you would like to download, just long press on it, tap at forward. Tap at share icon. Scroll down and select save to files. After that, choose a folder in which you would like to save that file. Also in here, you can rename it and then tap at save. What that will do, that will save that particular audio message to our files. After that, we can get into files and add downloads folder. We can easily find the file we have just saved. That's how you can easily download audio file from WhatsApp.